biological diversity. In this lesson, we are going to learn biological diversity. The variety that we see in the living things that exist on the earth is called biological diversity or biodiversity. Thousands of species of animals and plants exist on the surface of the earth. There is an advance of variety in their shapes, size, and the body parts. From microorganisms and unicellular plants and animals to giant-sized reeds, vines, and huge animals like the elephant and whale. There is great diversity everywhere and in all aspects of living things. Different animals have different eating habits. Variety is also seen in the bodily systems, species, and in the factors that transmit chromosomes from one generation to the next in all these plants and animals. There is also much variety in the body structure, life patterns, and the habitats of species that belong to the same class. As an example, let us consider the class of animals called species, which includes fish of all kinds. Some species of fish live in fresh water, while some live in the saline sea water. Some fish are tiny, while others are giant-sized. Some fish use their tail fin only to change direction, while others also use it as a weapon to defend themselves. Some fish have a short lifespan, while some have longer lifespans. Thus, we see variety in the body structure, habitats, and life patterns of fish, even though all kinds of fish belong to the same class. Environment is also an important factor that brings about this biological diversity. In any geographical region, the environment changes from place to place and also in the course of time. That is why there is variation even in those living things which live in the same environment. Aquatic living things, whether they live in ponds, rivers, lakes, or seas, all show a great amount of variety. Animals that live in deserts and plants that grow there are different from those found in coastal areas. Animals and plants belonging to snowbound regions differ from those of flat regions. Summary: the great variety of living species we see is referred to as biodiversity. There is variation in living things with respect to their sizes, shapes, eating habits, body parts, life cycles, etc. There are differences in individual of the species with respect to body structure, life patterns, habitats, etc. So that is all in this lesson. So, preserve the nature.